Our easy white cake and easy Swiss Meringue Buttercream only take 20 minutes of baking time. Cool sailing for decorating. That's the funnest part.
Yup, easy it is.
Yeah, I'm so glad it's an easy day. And I'm off to get the special white chocolate.
Okay, see you when you get back.
Despise, detest, abhor. You want everything to be at room temperature, so get your butter out of the fridge now. And whisk 1 cup of egg whites until they're frothy all the way through to the bottom. We're using pasteurized egg whites from the carton for the cake and the frosting. See, this way you don't need to pasteurize them at home. It's our little trick. Just keep it between us, okay? Flip that puppy to high speed and add 1/2 cup of sugar slowly. This is called a French meringue, by the way. Put it in another bowl and set it aside for a moment. Loads! Okay, I'm bored. But they up to? They seem to having fun? Nobody has fun in here. Nobody! Sift together your dry ingredients. That's 2 3/4 cup of cake flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We'll just help those lumps along. 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And back at your mixer, beat 1 cup of unsalted butter until it's nice and fluffy. Add in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Now alternate in your sifted dry ingredients with 1 cup of milk at room temperature. Okay, get lost, you little bugger.
I'm free! Swim, swim, swim!
Hey, what do you need this for? And this? Spray your pans with baking spray with flour and line the bottom with parchment paper.
Sorry about that.
Love you, Big Bad. We use cake strips. They're just strips of fabric that change the baking process so you get flat tops every time. We left the link in the description for you. Divide your batter and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. All this plastic in the ocean is causing harm. I need to clean up our ocean.
Swimming, swimming, just keep swimming, swimming.
While our cake's cool, we can get started on this easy Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Whisk 1 cup of those pasteurized egg whites until they're foamy all the way through and through. Add in your salt early too. Now you just add in a 2-pound bag of powdered sugar. This is, I know, we don't even have to measure. Add it in little by little or your whisk will send sugar all over your kitchen. Then add in your butter 1 chunk at a time, just like regular Swiss Meringue Buttercream. A chunk is about 2 tablespoons. And we're using the whisk because it lightens up the butter and we like how it gets it all in there mixed. We're also making an extra large batch because we love piping and decorating. Now, to get it super white, brilliant, spanking white, just put a little tiny bit of purple food coloring. Put it on a toothpick and just a little bit. You can go overboard too easily, and then you've got lavender frosting and you can't go backwards. So little by little is best.
Confounded, this is the last straw.
I'll be a hero of the ocean and clean it all up. We really like the way this tastes, so we're piping it on thick. And we're using a 1/2-inch piping tip to get it perfectly even. And here's how we get it super smooth. We use a bench scraper and do complete turns. Wipe off the scraper and do it again. Then swipe off the rough top edge. We have to do this a few times to get it super smooth and sharp edges. For the white chocolate drip, put your whole cake in the freezer. This cold frosting will help control the drip. You'll see. We got the special white chocolate! Host anchor, you scallywags! Not without me, you morons! In a heat-proof bowl, break up 200 grams of white chocolate. Add in a 1/3 cup of hot cream. We just nuked it in the microwave for 40 seconds. Let it sit for 5 minutes and stir it together. We tried the purple drip on this too, but we put too much in. The drip turns white when it cools anyway. Do a test drip, and if it's too thick, add a couple more tablespoons of hot cream. Don't nuke up the whole batch because it's easy to split your white chocolate. White chocolate is fussy because it's higher in fat content than brown chocolate. And this is the creative fun part right here. Piping and decorating. It's like a clean palette waiting for a beautiful mountain scene. And mountains it is. We have some gold stars and white pearls too.
Where's the milk?
And share this video on Facebook. Yeah, that's a great idea. Leave a comment. It makes our day.